there, guys. I had to turn this into 2 videos because I'm using my phone. So I thought that I could close this out and go check out something for my son and come back. But I'm using an editing app, but it didn't work like that. But anyway, here's the soup. Soup is right here. It's all ready. Cornbread is out. And you know, I decided to make a little small pan of biscuits. I have to upload this, you know, in another video. So I decided to make a little small pan of buttermilk biscuits. Grandmama's recipe also. So I already got this oven headed. So I'm gonna move this to the back again so you can see. Got this melted. Don't that look good? Don't it? Oh, look at here. Look at here. Let me see if I get this in for y'all. Look at here. Look at here. See, that's one thing about a southern, being from the south. I'm proud of my country girl raising. I'm proud of it. I wouldn't trade it for nothing. Ooh, you know, butter, as Paula Dean say, butter make everything good. Butter make it better. And you know the funny thing about it, the stuff that I cook, I cook for everybody else. I don't cook for me. Cause the stuff I would cook for me, they don't want it. There are some things that I can cook for them, and you know it's quite all right. It is quite all right. But this cornbread got to rest because it just came out the oven, so you know. So I wanted to rest a little bit before I get to slicing and dicing. Yes, honey, good. Woo! I'm gonna get my old handy dandy knife, but I am going to pre-cut it. But oh, got this oven on for it. Let me get this timer on these biscuits. Get them on 20 minutes. Because I got the oven at 415. Get this started. So I'm going to come down here. I'm gonna eat that. Lord, don't let me get choked. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, I'll be back when these buttermilk biscuits come out of the oven. Welcome back, guys. I like my little biscuits a little more cute, little brown golden coat. But my daughter is back here, you know, like a little she's starving. I want this is fine for me. This is fine for me. Can you all see them? Look at there. So what I do with my biscuits, I baste them with some melted butter on top, and I'm not gonna be stingy with this butter now. So don't let your cholesterol go up while watching this. I baste them on the top, and then I flip them and baste them on the bottom because they make them really extra soft. Look at that. Yeah, get all that goodness in there. I'm not stingy with this butter. I upload that. I do a video of these biscuits. When I do a little country breakfast, upload. Need to when I do a little country upload, I'm gonna flip them. Look at her. All right, Miss Katie Potty, it's coming. Look at that. See, they're not hard. You know why people biscuits come out hard? They don't add a little shortening to them. They bake them too long. And you know they take all-purpose flour and don't have the right ratio of baking soda. You can't do that. But I was raised on using only White Lily self-rising for biscuits, and that's all I use. That's all I'm gonna use. Like I said, I don't get stingy on this butter. Yeah, I'm gonna go over them twice. You want butter in the middle too, Kate? You want your biscuit butter in the middle? Look at that. Now I'm gonna cut one open for you guys. The recipe, you know what I use, it makes 6 cut this open. Look at that goodness. You see how nice and fluffy this is? Look at that. That's what you want. Look at that. Nice and fluffy. You see how it's risen? Because you have to fold your dough. Give them layers up. She wants Katie, you want 1 or 2? 2. Look at her. She quick to say that. You see that? You want 1 or 2 before I can get it out. She want 2. Before I can get it out good. 2. Nice and fluffy. If you raised in the country, in the South, you know, like I said, you folks that are country folks, you know the best serve is for biscuits. What is it? That cane syrup, alligator, whatever it is, and that cane syrup or molasses. Here you go, baby. And honey. And I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you. You hear back there? Yeah, I hear. Kayla, how you like them biscuits? What those biscuits saying to your tongue? How you like them? They're good. She go back there going, This, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I grew up on. This best served for biscuits. This and the, you know, what was it called? Cane. Back in the 70s and 80s, it came in a can. But they moved it to the jar. That little plastic jar, you can use, you can get you some honey. Get you some maple syrup. Put some maple syrup on these babies. Go with some honey or some jelly. Get you some good old jelly. All right, guys. This is it. It's going to be some vegetable soup, some cornbread, and some biscuits. Biscuits not going out the door. It's going to be the cornbread going out the door. Got that cornbread over here. Grandmama cornbread. Got this grandmama soup going. So I got to make some calls. for some pickups. And thanks for stopping in, Auntie No's Kitchen. Until we chat again, you all have a great Friday.